Okay, today is April 2, and I just wanted to show you that today is that day. It's 2019, okay? And I'm going to work on this real quick. And I just want to show you that this does work here. See, can you see that? It's you hit the AMS and you hit the fast forward. I just rebuilt this yesterday, so that's why I'm showing it here just briefly, showing you that it does work. You know, obviously on batteries. It's not plugged into anything, okay? And it will find the next song eventually, because it's there at the beginning of the song. And I'm sorry if I'm boring you with this, but I just stoked that I got this thing all nice and pretty. Okay, and there it goes. That's the beginning of the song, should be, right? Anyway, I can't play this music, so let me just hit stop and eject and get my tape out, put that back. Alright, so now I just want to that's just a little eye candy. Alright, so now let me get to it here. So let me zoom this thing in. By the way, I'm going to work on, I'm just making this video so I can understand this one here, right, which is the Panasonic RX-D30. Alright, I just took it apart and I just want to make this little video to, see here, zoom into the screen. Right, so it's a different camera. It's an R50 camera. I'm using some, I don't have a remote control for this one, so I can't, I have to do this manually. I'm just trying to, oh, here, let me stand up and do it, it's a lot easier. Alright, so, okay, and then, well, I got the camera higher than the monitor is, that's why it's like a trapezoid or something. But anyway, so, here we go. I just want to describe this briefly. See here, open with that. Okay, great. So, okay, so that's the front of it, the top of it, and again it has, you know, your line-in radio tape, your ambient stereo mono, your TPS dubbing, your tape operation. Oh crap! Go back. Wait, tape operation. Auto or single. I'm not quite understanding what that means. Maybe it's going to play both at the same time. I don't know. But then we have your covers for the left and right mic. You have your tape on monitor or phones, and then a mixing mic. I don't understand that either. But here is, you know, mixing level. It's got the TPS on both decks, and it has your normal chrome and metal. This is just a 2-position switch, and this is a 3-position switch. Okay. You have your record mute. That's for inserting a blank space into your music, so the TPS can sense the blank spots between whatever. And here's that, and then this one, the one knob is broke off. I can't do anything about that, and I'm not concerned about it. Alright, so that's the explaining of that. And then here's the input end. It's got, you know, your AC in, 9 volts in, takes 60 batteries, takes headphones, oops, go back. Takes, you know, 2 speakers, line in and a line out. Okay, so that's nice. Anyway, and then here it is. I'll just show you the, it's got your antenna, who cares? Oh, go back. I'm having too much fun with this. Alright, here. There we go. So it's a 15 watt, 9 volt, 60 battery, 9 volt, world voltage. It's a RX-D30. Okay, got that? Alright, that's the tune end. That's the bottom. This got world voltage. It's right here. When I bought this, it was set on 220. That's why it didn't work correctly. Okay. And these 2 screws that just holds in the transformer. I'll put those back. Here's the battery compartment. It's kind of, you know, dirty, dusty. No big deal. Just wash that out. Okay. And, you know, here are all the screws where they go, pointed in the right direction. It has 1, 2, 5, 8 screws in the back. Okay. Then we have the front flops out from the front, okay? I took the knobs off thinking that it would come out, it didn't, so I thought the top, anyway, so just the front comes out like that. Here's another view. Here's just a view of the guts of in here, and this plug and that plug come off, okay? And then there's just another picture, and another picture, and that one, and the other one, and a flash picture once again, and then take the plug out, take a picture so you can see the orientation of everything. Even if you get it mixed up, it's there. Same thing here. Okay, that's where the speakers go. It's inside the front and then there's the inside of that, and that's where I'm at. So, okay, so now what I want to do is I want to play this while I have this apart. So I'm going to move the camera down. Alright, well that's good, I don't have to zoom it any, just, alright, so I've already explained it, so now I just want to play it. There's no speakers, so I plugged in a pair of headphones. I didn't even get a pair of speakers, so I didn't set up a tape. Well, here, let me just get a tape, any old tape. I need my Fleetwood Mac tape, okay? The Fleetwood, now this one does play. I already pre-played this, but I hit. So I don't know if you can hear that, but that's playing. I'm not going to sit here. So that one works correctly, okay? And then this one does not. Alright, so here's play. Says it plays slowly, okay? So that's the one I need to fix. The recording deck needs to be fixed. Lastly, I want to show you while I'm going to take this thing off the camera, okay? Take the thing off the tripod. Alright, flip the screen around so I can see what's happening here. Alright, so now wide out because I'm close and hit. Okay, so hit rewind. There's rewind. Okay, that's strong, and then here's fast forward. Notice tape. Now this has a tape counter belt. I don't know what it's turning, but it's turning something. Maybe that has to do with the tape program something. I'm not sure. But it's got a gizmo. We'll see if there's any electronics behind it when I take it apart further. And then, of course, play. There's play, right? So stop, play. Okay, so all that moves. And then over here, that's when you hit play. And it wouldn't do that before because it was a bit gummed up, but it does work, but it runs slow. Okay, so that runs slow. And then this is fast forward now. See the tape counter belt? I'll replace that. I'll put a new one in there. And then that's rewind. Okay, and that's play. Okay, great. So, and that's pause. And this one has a pause as well. Alright, so that's it. That's all I wanted to show. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to try and rebuild this. Good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.